ChatGPT just got a massive upgrade, and these new features are going to change how you interact with AI. Whether you're using it for work, learning, or just having fun, here's what you need to know about ChatGPT's latest innovations. First up, memory. ChatGPT now remembers details you share across conversations. Whether it's your tone, style, or even preferences like project management tools, ChatGPT will recall them, helping you save time and stay productive. And don't worry, you can control and delete memories anytime to protect your privacy. Next, ChatGPT can now see, hear, and speak. You can have voice conversations with ChatGPT, and it will respond in one of 5 ultra-realistic voices. Need help troubleshooting? Show it an image, and ChatGPT can analyze it for you. Imagine showing it your grill or your work graph. It's a whole new level of interaction. If you're a business or part of a team, ChatGPT Enterprise is a game changer. It offers enterprise-grade security, unlimited access to GPT-4, and advanced data analysis. Perfect for teams who need AI to handle complex tasks securely and efficiently. Another big feature is the GPT Store. Here you can access specialized models tailored for tasks like art creation, programming, and more. You can even create your own custom GPTs for specific workflows or monetize them. Finally, ChatGPT now supports multilingual conversations, including languages like French, German, Spanish, and more. This makes it easier to communicate and work with people from around the globe. Whether you're chatting, creating, or managing projects, these new ChatGPT features are built to make your life easier. Ready to dive in? Like this video? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI updates, and hit the notification bell to stay in the loop. Questions? Drop them in the comments below.